Hi everyone, my name is Lavina. I am born and brought up in the Royal City, Patiala. I am a second year of MBA student in CTC, Lanka. I am an active searching bulk in Sage Solution. In Search Solution, there will be theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge, life project also. Their modules were very amazing, very attractive. We had to do cover in a very effective manner. Their live projects are in fundamental analysis on technical analysis, financial modeling, mergers and acquisition, private equity, and venture capital. We have to do in a brief manner. We have to do in live projects in the companies based like Reliance Industry, Tata Consulting Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, and so on. First, in a module, we have to cover how to become an research analytics, what's our ratio capital, ratio analysis. We have to do a stock market, bonds and interpretations. What's that mutual fund? What we have to do? There are different types of funds. We have to understand the investment banking concept. What is investment banking? How investment banking in stock market? How we have to prepare financial statement. We have to do Wipro company financial statement analysis in a brief manner. We have to do a TCS company in a financial statement analysis, how it can be covered that. We have to perform Infosys financial statement. What's the Infosys financial statement? We have to make a projected industry analysis assignment or submission. We have to do fundamental analysis, technical analysis. What are it research report? We have to prepare? What is effective communication? How we have to do presentation skills? How we have to do work in personality development? What's the soft skill training? We have to prepare financial modeling concept on nightly. We have to make alphabetic geographical. We have to prepare our investment banking, mergers and acquisition, private equity and venture capital, and so on. Both are very amazing, very attractive. We have to cover all of things in a very deep manner. We have to done in a very good way. What's investment banking? Wow, we have to prepare common portions and the how we can. And last is that investment banking is the type of special segment where banking operations can help in an organization raise capital fund. We have to do financial consultancy service, how we have to acquire them in that intermediaries between security issuers and investors, and for the public, go for public, how we can done that. We have to have their clients, how we raise capital market, how we issue debt or selling security in the company. We have to prepare about the mergers and acquisition, what's the opportunity, what's the unique investment, and so on. Thank you so much, guys.